It's day 7 of 14 days back to back on the Celebrity Apex cruise ship. Here we go. Here we are starting our day in Cafe Al Baccio, winding up the end of the first week of our back to back. And here's the lovely Lucia serving me my second iced coffee of the day. And after doing lots and lots of work, we decided to stay for the music trivia right here in the Grand Plaza, so we didn't even have to change our seats. It didn't draw as big of a crowd as usual, and I think I know why. People were packing. Not us, so we decided to stay and play general trivia immediately following. And then on to dinner at Blue. We were in an Aqua Class cabin this cruise, and we ate in a couple of the main dining rooms just to show our friends some of the other experiences, but tonight we decided to stay in Blue. John ordered his new favorite, the corn soup, taking the place of the French onion soup. I had the apple and pear salad, and it was really tasty. John also ordered the bruschetta from Tuscan. He loves that now. And my main course was the chicken saltimbocca, tender and very flavorful. John ordered the baked chicken with Brussels sprouts and a baked potato. He said it was cooked perfectly and really yummy. After that, we headed off to the casino where we finally, we had a decent payoff. I hit the major, which was at almost $1,900 in this terrific bonus. And as we finish watching the end of this bonus, I want to give you a little recap of our first week. We had 2 friends on board with us, and we had a fabulous time. We got off the ship in some of the ports. We did some exploring. We saw some really great shows, fabulous entertainment, and had some really wonderful meals and made some terrific memories. This is the end of week 1 of 2 weeks back to back. So tomorrow, new friends will come on with us, and we will have a whole new adventure ahead with new ports. At the end, I won $3,367, and we will see you tomorrow.